Foot soaking, the secret to longevity of a 97-year-old woman. Hello, it's great to see you again on Clever Tricks. Soak your feet, and I'll show you why this simple act helped my grandmother live a healthy and sharp life until she was 97 years old. My grandmother once said, "You don't need expensive things. God has given us simple gifts right in the kitchen." Today, I'll share 3 simple yet highly effective foot and toenail care tips. The formula that keeps my grandmother healthy, sharp-minded, and energetic at 97. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. To make this, you will need a small bowl or glass cup. The main ingredient is rice vinegar, a simple ingredient God has given us right in our kitchen. We use 100 milliliters of rice vinegar. Then add 400 milliliters of water. Tap water will do, you can use warm water if you prefer, for a total of 500 milliliters of mixture. This simple habit helps relieve tired feet, improve circulation, and soften dry heels. You need a large, food-safe plastic bag, the kind used for storing or freezing. Make sure the bag is wide and sturdy enough to hold both feet. Next, pour the entire 500 milliliters of the mixture into the bag. The liquid will coat the heels and soles of the feet. Why use a plastic bag? Because it allows the solution to come into direct contact with the skin, eliminating the need for a large basin. This mixture softens dry, thick skin on the heels, reduces odor, and relaxes tired muscles. Vinegar creates an environment that mildly weakens fungi, helping to keep the feet of elderly people clean, fresh, and comfortable. For women over 50, this habit makes walking easier, reduces discomfort, improves circulation, and promotes better sleep. After soaking for about 20 minutes, rinse your feet with clean water and dry them. This is a natural and effective method that has been trusted by many families for generations. After soaking, my grandmother moved on to the heels, which are prone to calluses, a concern for many women over 50. She never bought expensive ice cream. She believed in the simple things readily available in the kitchen. This trick only requires 2 slices of bread, using only the soft inner part, discarding the crust. Next, prepare the vinegar. Any kind will do, but white vinegar is best. Use 3 tablespoons. Knead bread with vinegar to form a thick, moist paste, making it easier to apply and more effective for combating dry, rough skin. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and natural fatty acids, which help soften the skin, reduce irritation, and retain moisture for longer. Mix well until the mixture is smooth, pliable, and not crumbly. This is a natural heel mask. Vinegar softens dry skin. Olive oil restores deep moisture, and bread helps the mixture adhere to repair cracks. Use a paper towel, cotton cloth, or clean cloth. Pour the mixture onto the paper. Then place it on the dry, calloused foot. Then wrap it with plastic wrap. Leave on for at least 4 hours, repeating daily until the heel softens and the callus disappears. Check the cause of the callus: shoes that are too tight, shoes that are too closed, or friction. Caring for calluses is important, but prevention is also important. The feeling when the mixture touches her feet, softer skin, reduced dryness, fatigue disappears, a light, relaxing feeling throughout the body. She also takes care of her toenails and fingernails, a sign of self-respect in old age. Nail recipe: 1 tablespoon toothpaste, 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil, 3 tablespoons kitchen salt. Mix well until a smooth, slightly gritty paste is formed. Instructions: apply the mixture to your fingernails and toenails daily for 30 days. Exfoliating salt, nourishing oil, and toothpaste brighten and clean your nails. After 30 days, your nails will be stronger, brighter, and less prone to fungus and yellowing. Second recipe: start with toothpaste. Add 1 tablespoon of moisturizer, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of coconut or olive oil. Mix well until you have a thick, smooth, slightly rough cream. A natural exfoliant, deodorizer, and cleanser for your feet, especially helpful for those over 60 with dry, cracked heels and mild fungal infections. Before bed, massage the mixture onto your feet, especially your heels, soles, and toes. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Repeat daily for 30 days for soft, healthy, clean feet, free from cracks and fungal infections. Thinking about these 3 simple methods, I remember my grandmother living a peaceful, grateful life, believing in the simple things God gives: warm water for tired feet, a gentle mixture for calloused heels, a simple mixture for aging nails. Nothing complicated, just quiet care, bringing a graceful gait and confidence over the years. Before going to sleep, she always whispered, "Lord, thank you for giving me the strength to get through each day." Perhaps that's the secret to living to 97. I hope these small habits also bring you comfort and care. May God bless your steps, your hands, and your health. Send you a warm hug. and may peace always be with you. Thank you for watching the video. Please check out other videos on the channel. See you in the next one.